Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Happy Tuesday out there. Today's project, or today's video, is about our newest project right here around the shop, the backup PC. Now, it's going to go in this clear, it's retro, the clear plexiglass case. It's my wife's case. We've been hanging on to this since we probably got it in the late 2000s. They made these in clear, of course. You saw a ton of them in clear. Some of them I've seen them in green tinted plexiglass or blue. The green and the blue ones are a little more rare. You didn't see them as much, but this is the clear version. It's got, you can tell it's old school because it has room for two 5.5-inch optical drives. It's got a fan in front, a fan on the side, which has been frankened because if you have this fan mounted inside, it doesn't clear the video card sticking off the motherboard. So, it got Frankenstein. You put the fan on the outside and then put a little guard to make sure you didn't stick your toe or your finger, or if it's sitting on the floor, it made it a little safer by having a fan guard on it. And it does draw air in that way, and then one exhaust fan in the back. It's got an 800-watt power supply and a terabyte SSD and a 2 terabyte backup traditional SATA hard drive. The board and the processor's coming in today. That was that combo I spoke about the other day on the video. It's an AM4 board, PCI 3, but there's no need for PCI 4 or PCI 5 on this build. It's a backup PC, and it's not going to do anything but kind of sit there and be ready in case it needs to be backed up. But and the combo came with a Ryzen 5 5500 processor. So good speed, still supports DDR4, and the whole thing was $119 plus tax off Newegg. So, I'm seeing a trend where new used hardware is starting to creep to what brand new prices are. So, why in the world buy a used motherboard and processor when you can buy one brand new with the manufacturer's warranty? That's there for you, and the price, and it arrives quicker anyway. Some of the third-party sources, the shipping does take a while. So this will be here today, and I can update you tomorrow on when the board comes in and how the build's taking shape. But it's going to be a fun one, and like I say, a neat retro PC will come back to life to boot. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel, and y'all come by the shop. We're Jet PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and y'all have a good week now.